Hey guys, it's Tanya. Today I'll show you how to make fruit slime. If you liked my video and you are brand new on my channel, then subscribe. So let's go! For a start, let's make the basic fluffy white slime. So we need clean bowl, then pour white school glue. Add body lotion and shaving foam. Now mix all the ingredients and add activator. Oh, looks good! And now add the potato starch in a bowl and mix together with our slime. We will add starch until the slime becomes the necessary consistency. Let's divide the slime into 3 parts. First we'll make a strawberry slime. For this we'll add red Floam clay. I found this Floam clay in one small store. Very nice! Yeah, strawberry slime is ready. Now the turn of blackberry slime. Now we'll add the yellow clay to make the lemon slime. And now I'll make a fruit and berry cocktail using my slimes. Wow, I love it! Look at this, super sweet! Guys, do you like my strawberry, blackberry and lemon slime? Write me in the comments below what slime was your favorite. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Love you so much. Bye.